Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the Rose War Panty Power Box. This is what it looks like, super cute. So if you haven't seen my past unboxings of this Rose War Panty Power Box, this is a period subscription, but it's a little unique compared to other period subscriptions. So you get some period essentials and then some like lifestyle products, kind of help your period be, you know, a little less rough and just make life a little bit better. All this stuff is super cute, but you also get 2 pairs of super cute panties each month. So I really do love this subscription. So it's, I believe, $25 and like 20 cents or something like that. I did have a code to save you 25%. Let me just double check. Yep, there is a code to save $5.40. So I'm gonna leave that down below. So yeah, I'm also going to link down below any giveaways I have going on right now, including my 7K giveaway, which has an ABH palette in it, the ABH and Curly Bible palette. So if you have not yet entered, God, I'm really stumbling over my words, aren't I today? But if you have not yet entered, I will leave that down below. So I'll link the website along with all the pricing and all of that down below. But yeah, how many times can I say down below? Let's get started and see what is in this box. I'm so excited. So when I first open it, it is wrapped up nice and cute in this super adorable star tissue paper. A little sticker that says Rose War Panty Power. Ooh, and under it, it is just packed full of stuff. The first thing I see is a face mask. I love face masks. And this is the watermelon face mask. This looks familiar. I think I might have tried this one in the past. This is a deeply hydrating Tencel sheet mask. How cute is that cover? Watermelon sounds so good right now. But it says, this watermelon face mask is ideal for use after sun exposure, saturated and hydrating watermelon juice, giving your skin an instant moisture boost and leaving skin vibrant. Even if you're not really like getting a bunch of skin exposure, you still want some extra moisturization, this mask can definitely help. Ooh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. There's some stuff that I am super excited about. Oh my gosh, okay, so how about, oh, here's the card. I missed that. Sorry, that was on top of this, but it like was on the top of the box. So look, it says kitty with a little heart on it. So it says, welcome to the November box full of joy. What's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 total valued at $7, 2 undies that range from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. Post your box on Instagram and hashtag us at hashtag Rose War Panty Power to win a $10 credit towards your next box. Awesome. And then it checks off the items that are in your box. And it also gives some pricing information. So this is the K-Beauty Sheet Mask, and this has a value of $3. So yeah, let's start with the period essentials they talked about. So I love these. I used all these tampons my last period. I brought some with me on my trip, which I unfortunately had a period, but this is the organic cotton tampons, and it comes in both regular and super. And then you have multiple sizes of pads too, so there's just like some liners and then regular and super, so these definitely come in handy. Yeah, so those are the period essentials. And then we have several other things. Oh, here, I'll show you these first. I think these are considered period essentials too. These are so funny, the name. We get these every month. This is Virginia's Down There Wipes. So we have one in rose water and then Shea Cocoa. So these are just like little cleansing wipes. So these are definitely convenient to have around that time of the month or anytime really. Yeah, let's move on to the next item. It looks like this is like a makeup item, or what is this? This says Milo Lemon Raspberry 100% Natural Lip Balm. Ooh, I love lip balms and stuff like that. Let me get the wrapping off. Oh, okay, so I just took the cap off and it's like one of those twist up, like tinted lip balms it looks like. Let's see if it has the scent. So yeah, it just has like a light tint. I love stuff like that, hydrating and a light tint. Now Archer just walked in. Hi Archer. So this is $6. And then this is what I'm really excited about. I've used something by them before. This is by Z Skin, 100% organic skincare. And this is their Acne Day Lotion. I'm so excited to try this out. I've used like their like blemish spot treatment type product, and I really like that. And I love this is made from like organic, like clean like ingredients. So this has SPF 24 in it as well, which is nice. So it's affordable, handcrafted, 100% organic skincare, 60 mLs or 2 fluid ounces. And it says instructions: using a small amount, apply to the face to help clear acne and blackheads, prevent future breakouts, tighten pores, and remove dark spots and scars. That sounds like too good to be true. I can't wait to try this out. And it's a really good size too. And this is $34. Wow. So yeah, I can't wait to start using this because I am definitely acne prone. I have blackheads. I have enlarged pores. So this is like perfect for me. Again, that is what it looks like, and that is the back. And I can tell my cat is about to try and eat my plants. Archer, get down. Do you want to say hi? Might be naughty. Next up is a surprise gift. Oh, and this is something I've tried before. This is Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. I got these in FabFitFun, and these smell so good, you guys. So I think these actually have a value of like $16 or $18. So like I think you get a mystery gift of at least $15 in value. These smell like melon. They smell so good, and I actually like break these up into pieces so I get multiple uses out of it. Seriously, it smells like melon, like edible almost. It smells so good. But I love exfoliating, especially before I shave my legs. So this is always nice to have. Awesome. And then we have a little treat in here. It sounds so good. This is by Boduco. Is that how you say it? Wafer strawberries to go. 3 delicious creamy layers. So this is a wafer with strawberry naturally flavored filling. So I love that you get snacks. And that's just like a bonus item. And then last but not least, we have our 2 pairs of panties that are wrapped up in this little drawstring bag. And again, these range from $8 to $25. I mean, just this alone pays for the box. But okay, I'll talk about that when I wrap everything up. I'm so excited about it. Oh, Archer, what's wrong? He's in the closet. So 2 pairs. The first one says something on it. It says, sweetest day. So when you sign up, you like tell them your preferences for things and also your sizing, just so you know, so they don't just send you like random size underwear. So that's what it looks like. These feel really nice and comfy. Awesome. Definitely will get a lot of use out of these. I love just like simple black underwear. That is my go-to. And now we have a black thong too. Awesome. Ooh, I'm probably gonna wear this all the time because it seems so comfy. This is by Vince Camuto, it says. These are so cute. So it has like this like lace top on front. It's like stretchy and comfy. Yes, I can see myself getting so much use out of both of these, especially the thong, because I wear them probably more often. I wear these like when I'm at home. So awesome. This was such a good box. I love getting this box every month. So let's just do a quick little recap roundup. So I really do like the underwear this month, especially the black thong. That is something I will wear all the time. What I'm the most excited about, which I've already pretty much said, is the Z-Skin, the Acne Day Lotion. I love that this is in this box, and this has such a high value. This is more than the box itself. This is $34, so yeah, and it's a good size too, 60 ml, so I can't wait, because a little bit goes a long way. It says just use a small amount. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. And I love that it has SPF in it too. And then it's all organic and everything like that. And then I love tinted lip balms. I use those all the time, like just on a daily use, like, you know, like day to day. Lemon Raspberry by Millo. And I've never used this brand before, so yeah, and it's like a pretty color. I like that. Like a little, give your lips a little flush. I like that a lot. We have this treat that sounds really good. I love strawberry flavored stuff. Our mystery item this month was this Harper and Ari Juice Cleanse, like exfoliating scrub, which I've used before, and it does work well, and it lasts a while. It doesn't seem like there's much in here, but like I said, you could split these little cubes up, and even that, you can probably split them in like 3s or 4s even, and it goes a long way, and it smells so good. And I love sheet masks. We have the watermelon face mask, so a hydrating face mask, and I think hydrating your skin is definitely needed around this time of year, or like anytime, really. So it says like use it after sun exposure, but really you can just use it when you are in need of any kind of hydration on your skin. And then of course we have our period essentials. I love they're organic, so we have the tampons, the liners and pads, and then 2 of the Eurovagenius wipes. So yeah, I think this is such a cute box. So again, I am going to link them down below. I'll also link all the pricing information, that code, which should still be active, and all of my giveaways. Archer, he's chewing on a bit. Archer, no! No. Just gotta pretend like I'm getting up and he runs away. What was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna link them down below along with any giveaways I have going on, all of that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I appreciate it. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.